May the 3rd, boys. Impact M4, 126 yards of my new Coyote Buster, boys. This is 126 on that dot. There's no holes in that target. I'm going to shoot 5 rounds. It's raining out here a little bit. You'll probably hear this thing hit that boom down there around that dot. I'm aiming at the top of that dot on 13X. Alright. Five shots, boys. You hear it hitting it down there. It's 60 degrees out here. Shot number 4. Shot them pretty quick, boys. We're gonna go down there, we're gonna look at this target. Like I said, it's raining out here. Alright, boys. You see the target there? There's 5 shots in it. Okay, now I don't have a ruler with me, okay? But I can tell you right now, I'll take it back and put a ruler on that. That's probably about a 1-inch groove. Okay, now, little wind, probably a little spin drift kicking in on them shots there to the right. Alright, boys, there's the shots. Now that last shot I shot pretty quick because I thought it was going to come a deluge on me, but I'm not making any excuses. Get this old ruler around here. 126 yards. Alright. 1 1/4 inches. Measuring the whole enchilada. We come from this shot here. It's a little less. Coming from that shot right there. You see that? Move that ruler a little so you can see. Shot them shots pretty quick, especially the last couple. It was raining, 60 degrees. I didn't put any air in the gun. It was dry fired one time. And it had right at 200 bar in it when I shot the first shot. Alright, 25.5 grain Zams. So that gun's shooting pretty good, boys. Hope you enjoyed.